Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NetSuite for CRM sales processes, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with NetSuite for CRM sales processes, begin by visiting the official NetSuite website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Free Trial button. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Select the appropriate options for your business needs from the drop-down menus. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to agree to them. Click on the Submit button to proceed with your registration. After submission, look for a confirmation email from NetSuite. Open the confirmation email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the NetSuite login page. Enter your registered email and password to access your new account. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Navigate to the CRM section for sales processes. Customize your dashboard by optimizing widgets and data views according to your sales needs. Explore the features available in the CRM module. Set up your customer records by importing existing data or creating new entries. Integrate any necessary third-party applications for enhanced functionality. Start automating your sales processes by defining workflows that match your operations. Utilize reporting tools to track your sales performance and customer interactions. Regularly update your settings and features to align with your growing business needs. Seek out NetSuite resources in community forums for any assistance or best practices. Engage in training sessions available through NetSuite to master the platform quickly. Continue learning about advanced features to leverage the full potential of NetSuite for your sales processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.